Hey, good morning. My name's Rodney. Mr. Rodney to my friends. I'm a backcountry dad. Leaving for our next fishing trip.
Turn left onto East Lake Street.
Downtown McCall. 5 o'clock in the morning. Heading over to see Doug and his crew on the North Fork of the Clearwater, I think it is, somewhere.
In 12 miles,
Orofino.
turn right onto
It's going to be a long day, but should be worth it. Well, the sun is starting to come up. Eastern sun. We're 22 miles from Clearwater, heading towards Orofino. So we'll see what happens here, but I love it. I love it. It's starting to look pretty. All right, I made it to Orofino and forgot about the time change, so I'm an hour ahead of everybody else. I could have slept for an extra hour. That would have been nice. But I did find a nice little cafe for breakfast, so these guys should be here in a little bit, and we'll actually go get something done. So, still cold, 45 degrees, but it's supposed to be nice. At some point, 70s, sun's coming up, so we're getting there. Is this the spot, Doug? I'm gonna tape your first cast, just in case you get to be lucky. But you know, the minute I take it away and stop it, you're gonna catch fish. Super shallow, or what is it? Yeah. Kind of a nice looking stretch. Look who's got a fish! Look who's got it! I want to know, everybody know that I brought Doug to this hole. I told him to put your fly right there, and for once he followed instructions. Where are you? Where is it? Holy cow, maybe it's a big one. Nice. Play him. Play a little side pressure, a little side pressure.
I don't want to step off the sled.
Does it go straight down? You want me to net him for you? If you need it or not. I'm coming, Douglas. I'm gonna leave my rod. I'll get my net out. He's not huge, but he's okay. Oh, there we go. What do we got there?
12 incher, maybe? 13? I don't know.
Not a cut though. Is that a rainbow?
It's a rainbow.
Yeah, it looks like a rainbow. Nice. Nice. You want to say goodbye? You want to hold him
I want
up?
to see something. I want to see if he's what is he, about 12 inch?
Yeah, at least.
Yeah, 12,
Yeah.
13.
Here, get on the camera. Oh, look at that. I don't know who's uglier.
That's a good fish. Yeah.
Well, headed home. Gotta cross those mountains. It's gonna be awesome. Love it. And now the sun's going down.
At the next stop sign, turn right.
And there's the valley we gotta drive up to get home. Well, we left in the dark and we are returning in the dark. Long day. Kinda wish I'd caught more than one fish.